the theme is always the same, right? You'll notice that whenever I'm talking about anything, it's always fruits and herbs. I always go back to the same thing. You're growing up, you're eating regular foods, and you think you're healthy, right? And then all of a sudden something happens. Your health goes haywire. Well, it didn't just happen, it's just accumulated. Okay, it's accumulative based on your genes. The acids are expressed different ways, but this is acidosis. So whenever you have a health issue, you have to change the diet. It's number one. You cannot get good changes in your body or health if your diet is still the same. The diet that brought you here with the health issues can't not be the diet that heals you. So whenever issue you have, if in this case is talk about menopause, okay, maybe it's aggressive menopause. You want the best diet for hormones balance. Again, I would be on a 100% fruit diet preferably, because that's the only way you can move the lymph system quickly. And I'll use herbs for the entire body, which means Fabulous 5 kidney tea, but also use a female reproductive formula to balance hormones for you. Okay, naturally. Use herbs in the female reproductive formula to help you balance hormones. As you're detoxing the whole body, the diet change and the kidney herbs and the Fabulous 5 herbs is what I would use. Okay, it's very easy to fix this thing. It's not even a problem. It's once you change the diet and add the herbs, your body will come back to a balance. But you need to give a little bit of time, that's of course.